If you ride a motorcycle, you're gonna want to hear this. What's up, guys? This is gonna be kind of unusual for us and what you usually see off our page. Today, I'm gonna be discussing a potentially life-saving tool with you guys. And no, I'm not exaggerating. Potentially life-saving. Have you ever been traveling and found yourself with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere, no cell reception whatsoever to call a tow truck, to call a family member or a friend, somebody to come pick you up and assist you with your flat tire? Well, my friends, the days of calling a tow truck for a flat tire is over. Even if you picked up something in your tire that requires a patch, they make patch kits so you can do it on the side of the road. Oftentimes when you pick up something, whether that might be a piece of road debris that requires you to patch your tire on the side of the road, oftentimes, yeah, you get the patch in, but your tire's still flat, right? Well, that's where Last Fit comes in. It's an awesome air pump that goes all the way up to 150 PSI. That is enough to put air in semi-truck tires that require 115 PSI. And guess what? If you're like me and sometimes you forget to charge things before you leave the house, not a problem. This thing comes with an enormous extension cord to plug into your cigarette lighter. And you can run it while it's plugged into your cigarette lighter. So unless you got a dead battery too, there's no reason why this shouldn't always come in clutch for you. But it also has the flashlight, which also has SOS mode, and it's very bright. It is a very bright light. So honestly, guys, I cannot recommend this enough. And you're able to charge any of your devices that use a USB-C or a USB charge port. That's pretty awesome. So you're getting this tiny little compact air compressor that packs a punch, guys. I'm not kidding. 150 PSI. That is a lot. That's a lot of air. But then you're getting two of your air lines, the black one and the red one. You're getting your charge port, and then you're getting the other accessories for basketballs and footballs and soccer balls and anything else that your kids might have that need air and you don't want to go down the road to the gas station to put air in them. Again, guys, this is not going anywhere that I'm not going. I have one for the Jeep, and this one is staying in my bike because I refuse to be caught unprepared. Do yourselves a favor. Pick up the Last Fit, especially now while there's Black Friday sales going on through TikTok Shop. Just click our affiliate link down there. It should be right here at the bottom. Click that link, get your Last Fit today while they're still in stock. They've ran out of stock 2 times now, guys. 2 times. That's how popular this thing is, and it's highly dependable. I trust my life with Last Fit. Like I said, this one's getting stowed back up and it's going in my bike where it'll stay, and hopefully I'll never need it. But if I do, thank God I've got it in my bags. As you can see, takes up minimal space. Boom. Last Fit's got you covered, guys. Take care, guys. Much love from Utah. As always, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.